Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, Simply CM. At right now guys, andito na naman tayo. Kasama ko na naman ito. Oh my God! No, andito kami guys sa bagong, na naman, Airbnb na naman. Kasi yung first na Airbnb na pinuntahan namin, sira yung bed nila. So then we texted the Airbnb. Tapos ito na yung parang ito na yung parang nila available unit na pwede naman i-take, and it's way nicer than the other one. Mag-tour tayo. So, yes. So, ito yung door. As soon as you get in, yung left side, kita nyo, toilet na naman. I-adjust ko kayo. Yan. So, sa left side ng left side ng unit na to is yung toilet. There, ako yan, char. So, very basic, pero super okay naman kasi maliligo lang din naman kami. And we're gonna be here for 3 days. Yun lang. And then, balik tayo dito. Dito ko nilagay yung aming bagahe. And then, when you look at here, may malaking cabinet, which is super nice. Kasi malaki yung storage guys. Yung bayad pala nito is normally is 1,500 a day. Pero naka-discount kami kasi parang pang-apat na ata namin to na beses na nagpag-book kami sa sa Airbnb na ito. So yan, may nice na TV, tapos nice na lalagyan. Ang ganda din ito. Super soft. Tapos ito, here, may aircon, obviously. And then, pag na-open ito, guys, is glass window. So, kita lahat. Nasa kami, 16th floor. Yung bed, guys, super soft niya. Tapos, very happy si Martin kasi yung bed is hindi siya low level ba. So, high level siya. So, perfect siya sa height niya. Yan yung asawa ko. Approved yung bed compare sa the other one. Tapos may painting. Tapos may sofa na pa ganito na parang weird pero inupuan ko siya. Maganda din.
Should we see what's under it? Pull it out. Let's see what's under it.
No, not now. I don't want to make an effort. But anyway, sofa siya. So, maganda siyang, guys, maganda siyang upuan. Super soft niya. And then yung table, nice size, okay na okay. May magandang chair din, so pwedeng magtrabaho sa computer. Tapos may pa hot and cold water sila, pero wala pang water. Ewan ko kami ba bibili o sila yung magpapadala, because the other one is may libreng tubig na. Ito yung kitchen. Ganyan. Tapos may cabinet dyan. May mga, saan ba? Okay, dito pala. Yan. So, may mga konting na din dyan. Oh. There. Tapos, may paganito din. So, meron na kahit pa paano magagamit na mga kitchen things. And then, may lutuan. May oven. Pero, ewan ko ba if nag-work siya. Hindi pa namin na-try. And then, may ref. Yung kanina na first na napuntahan namin, walang ref guys. Pero ito meron. Wala palang laman. Yes. Ganyan. Ang ganda. We're very happy sa room na itich. Tanungin natin sa Martin. So what do you think?
Fantastic.
You're happy? And you also got a discount.
Got a discount also.
Say bye-bye na.
VIP customer.
VIP?
Apparently.
Why?
Discount.
It's also been your 4th time, I think. Is it? Right?
3rd time, 4th time, 3rd time,
I don't know. I don't even remember. But we've been extending. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. 4th time.
Okay.
I don't know.
Yeah, but you're VIP. We got
Apparently.
discount. Okay, bye-bye.
Hey! And something you don't see in any Filipino apartment normally.
What?
A rock.
Oh. Yeah, I like it. It's super soft. Yes, so yun guys. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, bye-bye na kasi dami pa namin gagawin. And I think it's like almost 12 midnight na. So yun, see you.
Oh, sorry.